Good morning to all our respected faculty members. Myself SK Salman Ali, a final year student of Electrical Engineering Department of Alia University. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present our project work in front of everyone. The title of our project is 8051 microcontroller based password door lock system for security. This entire project work is done by a group of 5 peoples, including me. There are MD Saddam Mondol, Sheikh MD Noor Islam, Anisur Rahman, Sibra Mudikari, and we worked under the guidance of our respected faculty member Dr. Rumpa Shah. So these are the topics that will be covered throughout the presentation. Objective of the project, block diagram, working principle, flow chart, simulation work, introduction to Proteus, circuit diagram, hardware components, introduction to 8051 microcontroller, result of the project, application of the project, future enhancement, conclusion and the references. So now let us come to the objective of our project. The purpose of our project is to develop a device where an individual user can enter a password, and if the entered password is matched with the pre-stored password in the data memory of the microcontroller, then the DC motor attached with the device will run in a specific direction required for opening the door. And if the entered password doesn't match with the pre-stored password, then the door remains locked and the buzzer makes alarming sounds. The entire project work is done in the Proteus simulation environment. So this was the objective of our project, and now I would request my friend Sheikh MD Noor Islam to please continue the presentation from the next topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Salman, to giving me opportunity to continue the presentation. So let us introduce the block diagram of password-based door lock system. The block diagram is consist of a microcontroller, a keypad, a buzzer, an LCD, a DC motor, and a motor driver IC. The keypad is an input device which helps to enter a password to open the door. Then it gives the entered code signal to the microcontroller. The LCD and the buzzer are the indicating device for alarming and displaying the information. The DC motor moves the door to open and close, and the motor driver drives the motor after receiving the code signal from the microcontroller. The working principle of password-based door lock system is the microcontroller which is used in this project is from 8051 families, and that is programmed with kill software. When a person enters a password through a keypad, then the microcontroller reads the data and contrasts it with the stored data. If the entered password match with the pre-stored data, then the microcontroller sends the information to the LCD which displaying the information. Also, it sends the command signal to the motor driver to rotate the motor in a particular direction such that the door will be open and a green LED light will be glow. But if the enter password is wrong, then no input signal generates from the microcontroller to activate the DC motor drive. Hence, the door remains locked and the buzzer makes alarming sound along with a red LED will be glow. The flowchart of password-based door lock system. At first, start the program, then initialize the microcontroller variables and turn on LCD display. Then enter the password and microcontroller read the password. If input password is same as pre-stored password, then display the LCD, the password is correct. Then the motor will be started and the green LED will be glow and the program will be stopped. If input password is not same as pre-stored password, then display the LCD screen, the password is incorrect and the motor will not start it and red LED will be glow and the buzzer makes alarming sound, and the program will be continue until the incorrect input password is to be correct. So this is the flowchart of password based door lock system. Now I will call my friend Anisur Rahman to continue the presentation next portion.
Thank you, MD Noor. Simulation work. Proteus used for circuit diagram and simulation. KL Microvision 5. Introduction to Proteus. Proteus is used to simulate design and drawing of electronic circuits. It was invented by the Lab Center Electronic By using Proteus, you can make two-dimensional circuit design as well. With the use of this engineering software, you can construct and simulate different electrical and electronic circuits on your personal computer or laptops. There are numerous benefits to simulate circuits on Proteus before make them practically. Designing of circuits on your Proteus takes less time than practical construction of the circuit. The possibility of error is less in software simulation such as loose connection that takes a lot of time to find out connection problem in a practical circuit. Circuit simulation provided the main feature that some components of circuit are not practical, then you can construct your circuit on Proteus. There are zero possibility of burning and damaging of any electronic component in Proteus. Keil Microvision 5. Keil Microvision is a window-based software development platform that combines a robust and modern editor with project manager and make facility tool. In our project, we use Keil Microvision 5 for hex code generation purpose. Now I am request my friend Shibram Udhikari, please continue this project.
Thank you, Anisur Rahman. Let us introduce circuit diagram of password-based door lock system. In circuit diagram of microcontroller-based password door lock system, 5 major components are used: a 8051 microcontroller, L293D motor driver IC, DC motor, and a 4x4 matrix keypad, and a 16x2 LCD display. A 4x4 matrix keypad is connected to port 1 of microcontroller. The LCD display is connected to port 2 of microcontroller. The 2 pin of LCD display RS and E also connect to pin 3.0 and 3.1 of microcontroller respectively. Motor driver IC also connect to pin 3.2 to 3.5 of microcontroller, where 3.2 and 3.3 pin are used for motor operation and 3.4 and 3.5 pin are used for buzzer operation purpose, as shown in figure. A DC motor is connected to pin 3 and 6 of motor driver IC, and a buzzer is connected to pin 11 and 14 of motor driver IC. A green and a red LED also connect in parallel with motor and buzzer respectively. Hardware component. The main component in circuit is 8051 microcontroller, which control the output load through a password. Here output load is DC motor and buzzer, and a AT89C51 microcontroller is used. L293D is a typical motor driver IC which allow the DC motor to drive after get a signal from microcontroller. 4x4 matrix keypad is used to enter the password. The main function of 16x2 LCD display is to show the text which are generated by microcontroller. DC motor is the main mechanical device which open the door by rotating in forward direction after get a signal from microcontroller. Buzzer is used to make an alarm for a wrong password. Here 2 LED light also use, one green and another is red. Green for right password and red for wrong password. Power supply is obviously need to run this project. A 5V DC supply is required for microcontroller, and a 12V DC supply is required to power the driver IC. We can use a 12V DC battery and 12V 1A adapter as a power source. 8051 microcontroller is designed by Intel in 1981. It is an 8-bit microcontroller. It is built with 14 pins dual inline package, 4 KB of ROM storage and 128 bits of RAM storage, 2 16-bit timer. It consists of 4 parallel 8-bit ports which are programmable as well as addressable as per requirement. An on-chip crystal oscillator is integrated in the microcontroller, having crystal frequency of 12 MHz. Result: when we put the correct password, here 1234 is used for correct password, then LCD display display correct and door motor start to open the door. A green LED light also turn on at the same time. If we put the wrong password, then the LED LCD display incorrect. Here wrong password means any password other than 1234. At that time motor do not start and a buzzer make a sound. At the same time a red LED turn on. I will request to my friend MD Saddam Mondol, please continue the presentation from the next topic.
Thank you all. Now let's talk about the applications. There are various applications and we can use this password based door lock system. So basically the simple circuit can be used at residential place, office and companies to ensure better safety. It can be used at organizations to ensure authorized access to highly secure place like banks for safety, and can be used in various rooms like seminar halls, conference room and study rooms in college. All this can be used in office and at home too. Conclusion. Now what we talk about, let's conclude them. So this project is made for security system whose access is only to represent authority. Anyone who have the password, he or she only can open this door. So using a microcontroller, the passwords enter is checked with the stored password and then does the corresponding operation. Now let's talk about the future enhancements. There are various things we can go with in futures. So let's talk about some of them. First is some new technologies such as fingerprinting scanning, retina scannings and iris scannings, or even in voice printing identifications can also be inserted into this system. We can use another technique called biometrics. Biometrics can be a more prominent and recognized means of positive identifications. So we can interface, nowadays we can use GSM modem or internet IoT device to connect it through internet. Even we can go with the SMS systems like we have nowadays Android phones, or we can use them to connect through internet and open it through using our mobile, or at staying at different place we can automatically open this. So there are various things we can do this. So some of them was there. Now let's talk about the references. So I would like to thanks all of them like Tutorial Point, tutorial.com, electricalforyou.com, circuittodays.com, electronicshub.org, project of 8051.com, and also the books. There are many names and some of them are Yagendra K. Verma and Pawan Tripathi, a digital security system with door lock system using FRID technology, and International Journals of Computer Applications volume 5 number 11 page 6 to 8 August 2010. H. Hassan, R.A. Bakkar, ATF Mokhtar, face recognition based on auto switching magnetic door lock system using microcontroller. International Conference on System Engineering and Technology 126 2012. So at the end, I would like to thank all of you for all of their contributions.